This epic adventure, we're back in Nashville, Tennessee, a city full of singers and songwriters drawn here to pursue their music dreams. But we're here to visit another kind of Nashville artist who not only marches to the beat of a different drummer, he makes the drums. He's the head custom drum maker at Pearl Drum, uber-talented Ron Depew. You might recall we visited Ron a couple years ago and got a personal behind-the-scenes tour of Pearl's Music City custom drum shop. We'll link to that video at the end of this one. This visit, I have a gift for Ron, a stunning piece of quilted maple, and a challenge to see how he'll use it while making a one-of-a-kind custom snare drum. Great to see you again.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
All right. This episode, we want to feature resawing an awesome piece of quilted maple like this. I was going to just give this to Ron. I am giving it to Ron. I had it and I just thought of him because it looked like a snare drum side to me. And I thought, this should be in the hands of a drum maker, a custom drum maker, and who better? So, turned out, though, we want to show you how to resaw wood. We're going to resaw this piece and go through the stages and get it down to what works for Ron. So what does work for you, Ron?
Yeah, I mean, if I'm going to just be making the like inlay, because I can go a lot of different ways with this. We probably, because I'll go down, my finished will be probably roughly about a mil.
Yeah.
So a little more than a 32nd there. I don't know if you can see that profile there. So they're not real deep.
Right?
Yeah.
So this is our task. We have to resaw this piece to this thickness. Now, how are we going to do that? Well, first we're going to joint an edge, then we'll rip this thing parallel, and then we're going to set up on the bandsaw and bandsaw it this tall way. What do you think? Heavy 16?
Yeah, maybe a little more just to be safe.
Yeah, just to be safe.
Because we can always work backwards.
And then we go through the drum sander to get it down to some really nice, clean surface. But the payoff is going to be whatever Ron decides to do with it. And we're going to get to see how he creates a custom drum inlay using this quilted maple.
Gorgeous.
So I think we got to start with joining this,
Yep.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's get to work.
One more, and I think we got it.
So we got our blade is dead on.
Wow, look at that.
Woohoo! So I think Ron and I did a masterful job here. We got 7 slices out of that piece that started out only 7/8 thick. So I don't think we could have gotten any more than that. But now it's been bandsawn. We need to just run it through the drum sander and true it up, get it more useful and ready for veneering.
Kind of like to do things different instead of just cookie cutter the same patterns all the time.
Mm-hmm. Everybody gets a custom original.
Yeah, and that makes it a little more unique too, instead of just the same.
After all,
thing.
It says right here, Music City.
Yep.
Custom. Did you get that? Of course you did. All right, well, we're going to catch you fast forward down the road and see what Ron makes of this stuff. And we'll see if it's really the diamond in the rough.
Oh, I think so.
We think it is.
It's going to be gorgeous.